Hey gorgeous, welcome to my channel. In this particular video you're going to learn how to stitch braids. If you don't know how to stitch braids, this is the perfect video for you. Just make sure you watch it to the end. You're definitely going to learn how to stitch braids. And before I leave you to watch the video, I'm going to tell you that there are so many ways to stitch braids, okay? But I would advise you as a beginner to stitch your braids with this particular method I'm showing in this video. Reason is because it is easy, it is simple, and you are going to get your stitches looking so neat. Just watch to the end and you are going to see the outcome, okay? Make sure to press the red subscribe button so that if I drop other methods to stitch braids, you are going to see. Also make sure to check my channel for other tutorial videos. In this channel I make wig tutorials, hairstyle tutorials, how to braid hair goods, everything about hair, so make sure to subscribe.
Deliver hair, learn how to braid different styles day and night. You can learn